Year of the Snake, make a banner. Materials. If you don't like to sew, you can use craft glue or a glue gun instead. Felt sheets, 1 each of 4 colors, plus 1 thicker black sheet. In yellow, white, red, and black. Straight pins, needle and embroidery thread, scissors, white tailor's pencil, for optional embroidery, a 12-inch dowel, and a 12-inch length of twine. Download the pattern at the link on this slide or in the description box below. Cut out the pieces. Set aside the stiff black sheet. It'll be the surface of the banner. Use the pattern sheets to cut out the felt pieces. It'll be helpful to pin the patterns to the felt with straight pins, then cut around the outlines. Prepare the banner. The thick black felt sheet will be the banner surface. 1. Sew the 2 yellow sleeves to the top of the black banner surface. Fold each piece over the banner as shown, then sew a straight line across the bottom edges using black thread. You'll be sewing through to the back side of the sleeve. Don't worry if your sewing looks messy on the back. It won't be visible when you hang the banner. 2. Sew on the bottom red stripe. Sew along top edge using black thread. 3. The dowel will slide through the sleeves. You can remove the dowel for now. Sew on the snake and date. Note, use black thread for all the sewing unless white is specified. It will be helpful to pin the larger pieces in place before sewing. Use small closed stitches around the edges of the shapes. 1. Sew on the yellow snake body in the position shown. Pin the snake body in the position shown. Sew down using small closed stitches around the edge. Be sure to tuck the red tongue under the snake head before sewing the head down. When you sew around the head shape, you'll be tacking down the tongue. You can leave the tongue ends loose. 2. Sew on the eyes. Position the red eye pieces on the snake head in the position shown. Place the black pupil shapes on top. You'll be using white thread to make the white highlights. For each eye, hold the red and black pieces in place and sew 3 white lines in the position shown above, through the back of the black sheet. This will tack down the red and black shapes. 3. Sew on the nostrils, heart, and date. Pin down each number and sew around the edge. For each nostril, sew a short, straight black line in the position shown. You can sew a second line over the first to thicken it. Sew on the flowers. 1. Sew the white flowers on the snake body. For each flower, position the red circle in the center and sew around it through the black background. This will tack down the white petals, which can remain loose. Sew around the red circle with black thread. 2. Sew on the additional flowers. 3. Optional embroidery. If you want to add extra embellishment, you can embroider the swirls and lines in white and black as shown. Use the white pencil to draw the swirl pattern, then embroider along the line. You can use a regular lead pencil to draw the swirl pattern on the yellow snake body. Add the dowel and twine, and you're done! Happy Year of the Snake!